This dance is called Salt and Lime. It's a 40 count easy intermediate dance by myself, Josh Talbot. I'm going to teach you through with the counts and the steps. Facing the front, weight is on your left foot. We rock forward on the right. 1, 2, coaster, step. We go back on the left foot, left, we half turn step on the right foot, and then a quarter turn to the right and side shuffle, left together, left. Face the front, try it again. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Use your right foot. We're going to weave behind side. We step 1, 2, and a cross samba step, cross side out. Then we cross your left foot over, quarter turn back, and a half turn shuffle forward, left, right, left. From the beginning with the count, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to jump back on your right foot as you lift your left foot up. So as we shuffle forward, we simply jump back, 1, recover, 2. Like you're taking a shot of tequila. 1, 2, and then shuffle again. So facing the front, as we finish that shuffle for 7 and 8, back and recover, shuffle forward, 2 half pivot turns, step, half, step, half. Weights on your right foot. Using your left, we cross over, side and a sailor step. Now with the right foot, same, over, side and a sailor step. Cross your left foot over again, quarter turn left, stepping back on the right, half turn left, shuffle forward, left together, left, 2 half turn pivots with your right foot to finish up at your new direction. Facing the front all the way through, 7, 8. Rock with a coaster step, back and half, quarter side shuffle, weave behind with a cross samba step, and a 3/4 back to the front wall, and shuffle, jump back with a shot and step, shuffle 2 pivot half turns. Now cross side with the sailor step, same with the right foot, and cross side, sailor cross, quarter turn back, half shuffle forward, 2 pivots, 6, 7, 8. One more time, this time we're going to go through with the count, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2 restarts in this dance and 1 tag. Restart number 1 happens on the very first wall. We get to count 22 and we're going to slightly modify. Now, traditionally you'd be stepping pivot, turn, which is just before the cross step sailors. However, on wall 1, we do 1 pivot to the back. That's count number 22. And we simply step forward, touch, ready to restart at the back wall for wall number 2. That is wall number 1. At the end of wall number 3, which will start at your 9 o'clock wall, we get to the end, facing the front. We're going to add an 8 count tag. We simply repeat the first 4 counts of the dance. 1, 2 with a coaster, same on the left. 1, 2, coaster. Then you're ready to start the dance with a rock and coaster again. So to finish up that section there, we've done a sailor step at 9 o'clock. Turn to the front, shuffle, 2 half pivot turns. Now we add the tag, rock with a coaster step, and rock with a coaster step. Then we start rock, coaster again, ready to go back and shuffle. Our third extra bit is wall number 7. You'll be starting at the 9 o'clock wall and you'll be restarting at the 9 o'clock wall. We simply get to count 16 and restart. What we're leaving out is the jump back. We don't do that section there. Facing 9 o'clock, wall number 7 from the top, rock with a coaster, then we step back, half quarter side shuffle left, weave behind, cross samba step, and cross quarter turn, half shuffle, restart now, rock, and a coaster step. All right, and the last wall to finish up the dance, we do the first 8 counts, replacing with the quarter side shuffle with a half shuffle back. Rock and a coaster step, going back, half turn step, half shuffle, and touch,